Hi, I'm Sydney Marshall. I'm the curator of the Public Art Collection and the Art on Campus collection in the Anderson Sculpture Garden, which is where we are at right now. We're right outside of Morrill Hall on Central Campus, and we're just going to give you a little preview of an upcoming event we have of a art walk with me in the garden talking about Ginnever's works of art. So this exhibition is showing sculptures of Charles Ginnever, who was an artist who started working in the 1950s and created sculptures all throughout his life until 2019. And we have 6 sculptures on display in the garden and also on the north side of Morrill Hall. And so my tour will be showing you each of the sculptures and a little bit about his work and his process throughout his life. So he kind of really worked in this method of these flat planes of metal and creating a experience of walking around a sculpture and how you can see it change as you walk around the sculpture and how it may change how you see campus or the public place that it's located. So that's a little bit of what we'll talk about. These sculptures, 2 of them were just recently donated to the Art on Campus permanent collection, so they'll be featured here for quite some time. One of them is this one over here, Cobra. And the rest of them are loaned either from the Duncans, the collection of their Robert and Karen Duncan, and also John and Molly Ott. And coming to this art walk, it's May 12th from 2 to 3 p.m. If you're interested in Ginnever or spending time in the garden, I think it would be great for all ages. You do have to pre-register online on our website, so museums.iastate.edu, and then you can park either at the Memorial Union or the Armory on campus and then walk to come visit us in the garden. Hope to see you there.